This is a script that helps to visualize numeric variables. The program reads data and generates a histogram, a dot plot, stem and leaf diagram, and a normality plot. Let's first read the data. Then let's have a look at the data. As you can see here, we have sample IDs, 10 different samples, and weight. Let's close it. Now, let's make a histogram. For instance, we simply can have plot a histogram, as you can see here. But we also could adjust it and we can have different breaks. Here is just a default, but we could have like tell the system, let's have 2 breaks or 3 breaks. Also, we can tell R to actually print all the histograms in on one picture only. So we take this command and then we select the other two. So let's have these two, enter. As you can see here, let's make it smaller. You can see the different way of representing our data. What you also could do is tell R to actually generate a file, so you would have the command PNG or PDF, but then you have to close it by using the command device off. Now let's make with the same data we can have dot plots. There are different commands. We could use either dot chart or strip chart. They look slightly different. We can also give a title and describe the x-axis. Let's tell R again to have 2 plots in one window. So let's select everything and let's have a look. As you can see here, we defined first 2 rows, 1 column. You can see 2 rows, 1 column. The first one is a dot chart and the second one is a strip chart. Next, we can have a stem and leaf diagram. What you can see here, it's you can see 17, right? It would mean that you have 17.0, 17.4 grams, or 18.0, 18.4, 18.5, and so on. Next, we look at normality plot. There are different ways to use it. A simple one is just this one here, QQ norm and QQ line. So you have typical normality plot. There is also a package that you could have, which is called car, and you have to type first load the library. And so it's called, the command is QQplot, and it's quite neat because actually it allows you to print the confidence interval. So let's compare the two again. This time we say we want to have 1 row and 2 columns, and let's have a look at both plots. The differences you can see here. Normality plot looks like we can be 95% confident that the points lie within this range, and here this is a more simple version.